These cinematic scenes are all AI-generated videos, and were made using the brand new Hailuo 2.3 model. If you want to see what this update can really do and how you can use it yourself, watch this video until the end.
With Hailuo 2.3 update, AI video generation has reached a new level. This text-to-video and image-to-video model delivers cinematic AI videos with realistic motion, natural lighting, and real emotional expression. It handles dynamic motion extremely well, from energetic dances to realistic sports and athletic movements. This new update brings human-like movement in AI to an entirely new level, delivering more natural body mechanics, more realistic motion flow, and more subtle physical behavior than ever before. It makes AI-generated characters feel dramatically closer to real human performance. Hailuo AI is one of the best AI filmmaking software that can handle micro-expressions with much more accuracy. The faces seem alive, with convincing eye movement, breathing, and emotional progression. This AI video model also shines in high-end cinematic scenes, from dramatic battle moments and fantasy creatures to realistic nature shots. This update represents a major step in high-quality video output, making it one of the most capable tools in modern AI filmmaking. For product advertising, the realism is stunning. You can see elegant lighting and macro motion that you usually see in professional studio films. To try this new AI video model, go to hailuoai.video. You can use it directly on your phone or through their website. In the Explore section, you'll find different categories. That in each one, some videos are created by other users, and some are templates you can use to generate similar scenes with your own character image. You only need a front view of your character. No prompt required. Next, go to the video section. Here, you can access different versions of the models, and also Google Veo 3.1. You can select Hailuo 2.3 or Hailuo 2.3 Fast. The Fast version uses fewer credits and generates results more quickly. Currently, they allow you to generate 4 free videos per day with these models. In the Image to Video section, you can find prompt examples of 2.3 model and preview each one before using it. To try a prompt, simply click on it. You can also adjust camera movement. For a complete guide on that, check out the tutorial link in the description. At the moment, the 2.3 model supports uploading first frame, and if you want to use both first and last frames, you'll need to switch to the 02 model. For a full tutorial and examples on generating videos with first and last frames and using the Hailuo 02 model, check the videos in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also use the Hailuo 2.3 model on other websites like Crea AI. Just select the model, and if needed, upload your first frame, then choose your resolution. With 1080p, you can create a 6-second video, and with 768p, you can create 6 or 10-second videos. Share your own experiments and thoughts about Hailuo 2.3 model in the comments. And if you want to create images for your videos, try Google Nano Banana or Seedream 4. For more AI tutorials, check out these videos.